We're gonna start this project with a large brush and light pink paint. Our first step is to cover the whole background in light pink. Next, we'll use medium-size brush and red paint. We'll make a dot in the middle of the artwork. Starting from the dot, we'll paint an outline of a heart shape. Next, you can paint it in. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark gray paint. We'll create an outline of an oval shape above the heart. We'll paint by gently tapping our brush on paper to create small brush strokes. After completing an outline, you can paint in the rest of the shape using the same technique. Next, we'll create an outline for 2 ears. Next, we'll paint a gray oval next to the heart. We'll add another oval on the other side. Next, you can paint in both ovals. Next, we'll add a small gray circle on each side of the heart. After creating an outline, you can paint them in. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in light gray. We'll paint a smaller oval in the lower part of bear's face. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint. We'll paint a straight red line to the left of the bear. Next, we'll paint a letter U on the right side of the bear. We'll add a second layer of red paint on top of the heart. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and bright pink paint. We'll paint inside of each ear using pink paint. Next, we'll create an outline of a circle on top of gray oval. Then we can paint it in. Next, we'll paint 3 small ovals above our pink circle. We'll repeat the same steps on the other side. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint to create 2 black circles. Next, using just the tip of your brush and black paint, we'll create a thin line on top of light gray oval and then 2 arches on the bottom of that line. Next, we'll mix dark gray paint with a little bit of black to create darker shade of gray. Now we can use this color to fill in space between bear's head and the heart. We'll use a little bit of regular gray paint to add some texture by adding small brush strokes on top. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in bright pink to create a triangle nose. After washing and wiping your brush, we'll dip it in white paint to add 2 small dots in each eye. Next, we'll add a thin white brush stroke on top of the nose. Now we'll add small white dots around the heart. Our final step is to add second layer of red paint on top of letter U, I and the heart. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.